Hey everybody, I'm here with a new product. As many of you know, our handy sand is no longer available in this type of packaging. We now have it in gallons, and we have a new way to dispense it. We've had a lot of requests for a touchless dispenser, and we have added the FM9586 handy sand automatic foam dispenser to our line. It's an awesome product. I'm going to show you how it comes in the box. It can be mounted to a wall, or it can sit flush on a desktop or countertop. It comes with hardware for mounting, comes with instructions, and it comes assembled. All you have to do is take it out of the packaging, pull it out of the base, add 4 AA batteries here, which are not included, which I've already added in here, and then pour your handy sand into the reservoir, which holds 500 milliliters. There's 2 different settings on this dispenser. It can put out 1 milliliter or 1.5 milliliters. All you need is 1 milliliter, which will give you 500 applications per cartridge and 4,000 applications per gallon, which makes it very, very cost effective. It comes ready to use out of the box. All you have to do is add your batteries and then press this power button here for 3 seconds. That turns it on. That same power button, if you tap it, toggles in between the 1 and the 1.5 milliliters per application, and the sensor is on the bottom right there. Once you've got it mounted or stationed where you want it, all you do is put your hand underneath and it puts out the product there so you can sanitize your hands. It's great for schools, school buses, equipment rentals, hotels, hospitals, restaurants, building supply houses, you name it. Anywhere where people have customers that need to sanitize their hands or want to keep their staff's hands nice and clean and sanitized. It's an excellent piece of equipment to have. One unit comes in each box of our handy sand, and we do have additional units for purchase if needed. Thank you.